Tribe, welcome back. Today we got a unique silo tiny home, guys. This is a silo conversion tiny home. It's unlike any you've seen before, guys. If you would smash that subscribe button because we do have a lot of videos like this on our channel. Max your journey. Let's jump into it.
Welcome to one of the most unique tiny houses
Could you rough it here?
I've ever been to on this channel. I've never seen anything like this on the internet, in the world, anywhere. This is a 500 square foot tiny house.
500. It looks bigger.
Attachments to it for a really.
I love the
really
window
unique
up top
and layout. So let's go take a tour of this place.
Just from looking at the property, guys, I absolutely could just live here based off that, man. So secluded, so peaceful. I need that in my life. Beautiful. Hammocks, hot tub. Wow. Let's get into it. This is beautiful.
Today we are at the Hocking Hills Cottage Company. If you remember on our channel last year, we've been here before, but we visited their first shipping container home, which was their first build.
So they got more than one.
I
This
loved
is
it a
beautiful.
lot. It was beautiful. They did such a great job with it, and they built and designed it.
Let's
all
jump
themselves.
inside.
But today, let's walk inside and see how they designed this unique space.
Wow. The colors, guys, spot on. You would think the the orange and black are like Halloweenish, but it is so spot on. I love it here. I even love the gold fixtures, the lighting. It's all well thought out.
You walk inside, you're of course in the silo.
The little
floor, so
tiny
it's all round,
couch.
and that has challenges all with it, building with round edges and such. So I think they did a great job seeing the
Beautiful.
space in here and just laying it all out. This is also really tall. If we take a look up, the ceilings go way up.
This is
high.
what we like
Makes
to see, the
space
silo
a lot
part.
larger than what it actually is. And I love the wood design detail they did up here.
Amazing.
in the
Look at
middle.
that.
Along with the chandelier, it just looks incredible. This first section over here on this left side is your living room space. They got the leather couch right here, your coffee table, and this all faces your mantle with the black shiplap. You got the
I
TV
love the black
above
for some.
here,
I just love it.
mantle, and then the fireplace below. It's just really nice spot to watch movies or shows, and it's just cozy right here. And then behind this, you got your kitchen space. The kitchen is divided into two
I love that
sections. The
fridge.
first one, closest
That
to
is
the living room
neat.
space,
It's beautiful.
is the smaller of the two, but it has
It's not
your
too big. It's not
refrigerator
too
right
small.
here, a couple cabinets, your coffee supplies, and this microwave air
Now this is an Airbnb, so it comes with all of this stuff, guys. This is neat.
oven combo. This thing does it all for your cooking needs, and it's really tiny, so it fits in the space.
Gotta save that
perfectly.
space.
But also in the drawers, you have everything you'd possibly need for your coffee. That's what I really like about the Hocking Hills Cottage Company. They don't skimp out on any of the coffee necessities for the perfect cup of joe. So that is really nice. And then the other part of your kitchen is on the other side over here, and this has your sink, the gold faucet.
It keeps
and then this
getting
really
better.
beautiful
It
quartz
keeps getting
countertop.
better. I love the
And
big
got
sink. I
black
love the
cabinets over here
granite.
as well. It just
The
all
floating
looks
shelves.
Great. And you got a bunch of floating shelves up here, along with the black tile behind all of this. The kitchen split in two is definitely unique, but when you got a really unique tiny house, they both fit together. And
Right.
the last thing in this space is a small dining area for
Love
two,
it.
to eat at. And then that is the silo portion of this area. Now there's two wings attached to it. The first one off the living room is your bedroom space. You walk in here.
Oh
your bed is
man, look at that. Look at that back. What is that? Feature wall is spot on. It's the perfect space. It looks so
right here in
clean.
the middle. You got nightstands on both sides. The black backing behind the bed looks great along this wall.
The lighting.
This looks tiny in the camera, but if you look at me walking around, there's actually a lot of room on both sides of the bed. And if we look on the other wall, you
Oh
got a
boy,
TV.
look at that. Look at the exposed silo right there. That's what you're supposed to do. Maximize it,
here
man.
and some hangers to hang up your clothes. But the unique thing about this is they kept the exposed silo on this wall.
What do you
So
think about
that
that? You like it or not?
silo on this wall. And it
That's
looks
your
really
closet
cool.
right
It's a nice
there.
detail to add. And now we can head over to the other wing, and this is your full-size bathroom.
Bedroom,
This
bathroom.
is huge for a tiny house. You walk in, your vanity right here on the right side.
I love the wallpaper. So much light in here. The exposed silo and the light, it just makes it feel bigger. It like lightens up the
Everything
place.
you need up above it. beautiful mirror right here in the middle. You got your toilet caddy cornered in this corner with the shiplap wall over here, and then your shower right behind all of this. And it's a walk-in shower. And all of this is just a clean, bright look. There's windows in here really high above, so nobody can see.
If my kiddos were bigger,
My favorite part
I could
here
move in
is
this.
the
Me and my
wallpaper
wife
and the standing
downsize.
fan wallpaper. If you were to tell me
I love
that
it.
we're getting a dandelion wallpaper, I'd probably be like, I probably won't like that. But after seeing this one, it looks really good in here, actually. So
It looks
ties in
spot
this
on.
bathroom, gives it some detail and character, and overall, this bathroom is beautiful. So that is all of the inside space outside.
Let's check out that backyard.
Out here is your entertainment space. Very private and peaceful out here as well.
Fire
This
pit,
entire
hot
patio
tub.
area is covered, and there's a lot to do out here. This first section over here on the left side, you got a couple swinging chairs, your firewood, and then your hot tub.
This is
Huge
such
hot
a
tub,
vibe,
7
man.
spots
Look
right
at
there
that.
for this tiny house. And on the other side, you got some outdoor seating, and of course your grill on the side. Then right here in the middle, we can walk out.
Somebody, anybody, let's book it and let's just have a party there, man. Max Your Journey Tribe, somebody book it, invite me out.
Or just swing it around and look at the beautiful
I'll even let
nature
you pay for the
behind
ticket.
you. It's all trees and meadow, and even a couple hills back there. And this is just a beautiful area to hang out at. I love the.
All right, guys, let me know down in the comments. Would you book this? Would you live in this? What do you not like about this, right? Comment below, subscribe below. I appreciate it. I thank you guys. I'll see you next time.